Did you know that it's a misconception that all hair is dead? There's actually a living part of your hair that is growing inside of the epidermis. When it's in there, it's living. As soon as it leaves, it's dead. So there is actually a living part of your hair. My name's Dale Hazeldine and welcome to my salon, and today I'm going to be going through some amazing facts about your hair. Hair contains a lot of information, mostly about the stuff what's in your bloodstream. So if you take drugs, unfortunately, they're going to find it in your hair. The only thing that it can't tell is what the gender of the person it came from. If you got two strands of hair, one from male, one from female, no one would have any clue which is come from which. So on average, there is around about 100 to 150,000 strands of hair on your head. Each strand of hair can support around about 100 grams in weight. So if you combine that 100 to 150,000 strands of hair, your hair can pretty much hold the equivalent to 2 elephants. The most common hair color in the world is black or dark brown. 75 to 84% of you is dark haired. In second place is brunettes, and that's around about 11% of the world population. And in third place is naturally blonde people, and that's roughly around about 3% of the world population. Now coming in last is red hair. Natural red hair accounts for around about 2% of the world population. Red hair and blue eyes is the rarest of the rarest combination. This is a strange one. Now 90% of your hair is actually growing whilst 10% of it is resting. Now, your hair kind of grows roughly around about 1 millimeter every 3 days. This is thanks to a male hormone called androgen. Now, androgen is actually found in women as well, but also if you have too much androgen, you actually start losing hair. So your hair is actually made out of a protein called keratin. And keratin is found a lot in the natural world. It's like, it makes up claws, it makes up feathers, it makes up nails. So yeah, it's a very common thing in the natural world. Also, your hair is made up of 14 elements. One of those elements is actually gold, be it very small amount traces of gold, but there is actually gold in your hair. As well as the keratin and the small traces of gold, there's actually 12% water in your hair. And that's with a normal climate. Now, if you're in a more humid climate, that can reach up to 16%. And if you're in a dry climate, it can go down to around about 10%. Now, if you do actually want longer hair, your hair actually stretches an extra 30% when it's wet. Now that's on healthy hair. I mean, if you've bleached your hair quite a lot and it's damaged, then it doesn't. On average, we lose between 50 to 150 strands of hair every day. So it's perfectly normal for hair to come out, and especially when you're pregnant. When you're pregnant, you don't actually lose your hair during your pregnancy. And that's why when you have your baby, it's just a back catalogue of your hair that you haven't lost. So when you have your baby, you're going to lose more hair. Now that's perfectly natural because that's just the hair that you've kept. So please don't worry about this. Funny enough, your hair can grow absolutely anywhere on your body with the exceptions of the palms of your hands, the sole of your feet, your lips, your eyelids, and your mucous membranes. And that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you've learned something new today, and if you did, please give me a like, and I will see you in the future. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.